Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey and updates surrounding MicroStrategy. Saylor has done it again, marking yet another achievement with a fresh green dot on the horizon. We'll explore MicroStrategy's performance over the last 4 years, a detailed look at Bitcoin ETF performance in 2024, and an exclusive video clip from MicroStrategy explaining how Bitcoin could scale from $2 trillion to a staggering $280 trillion in just 21 years. Let's dive straight into the latest updates with MicroStrategy's Catalyst Tracker. Just 4 days remain until a historic oil exploration event, which has significant implications. This week is shaping up to be turbulent, with Bitcoin expected to experience significant volatility. MicroStrategy is likely to follow a similar path, as various commitments and promises are coming due. The upcoming weeks are set to bring a whirlwind of activity, so buckle up and prepare for what promises to be a thrilling ride. Late January and early February could offer positive surprises with events such as the presidential inauguration in 7 days and the January Federal Reserve meetings in 16 days. Market expectations are leaning toward hawkish decisions, which could bring either positive or neutral outcomes. Adding to the excitement, the FT has estimated $16.5 billion in repayments to customers, expected to be distributed in 18 days. Many of these recipients may channel their funds into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Some might even consider investing in MicroStrategy. If you're among those planning to invest, share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Meanwhile, the Q4 earnings report is just 27 days away, promising an exciting glimpse into Michael Saylor's plans. Additionally, the MSTR quarterly review in 29 days will rebalance the index, potentially favoring MicroStrategy if it meets expectations. Time will tell, but these developments set the stage for an exciting start to 2025. Beyond MicroStrategy, 6 publicly traded firms holding Bitcoin are making waves. These include Tesla, Block, Rumble, Leaf, Saylor Scientific, and Bonsai. Among these, Leaf and Bonsai stand out as lesser-known entities, but their involvement highlights a growing trend. This is just the beginning. 6 companies today could expand to 16, then 60, and eventually 600. The momentum is undeniable. On Sunday, Michael Saylor hinted at another Bitcoin purchase by MicroStrategy, marking yet another green dot on his tracker. Although this acquisition may be smaller due to the company's ongoing projects, including preferred stock purchases, convertible bonds, and ATM issuances, it's still a significant move. Stay tuned to updates on MicroStrategy's Twitter X page for the latest news. The Bitcoin Therapist offered insights on Saylor's consistent additions to MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings. This trend sets a standard that other companies are beginning to follow. 0% cash on the balance sheet might soon become the norm as more organizations recognize Bitcoin's potential. One notable comparison is between Black Gold's ETF performance and Bitcoin's ETF performance. While the first-year figures are astounding, the potential for Bitcoin's exponential growth trajectory is even more exciting. Chris shared MicroStrategy's stock performance since adopting its Bitcoin strategy in 2020. Year 1 saw a 172% increase, followed by 140% in Year 2. A bear market led to a 74% dip in Year 3, but 2023 and 2024 delivered returns of 346% and 358%, respectively. While not everyone experienced these gains, the future holds promise for substantial growth. Looking ahead 5 to 10 years, periods of volatility will likely be offset by significant green gains. Michael Saylor's approach, buying Bitcoin regardless of its price, demonstrates the concept of inelastic demand. This strategy defies traditional economic principles, where demand typically decreases as prices rise. Instead, Bitcoin's unique status as pristine collateral allows for increased purchasing power as prices climb. This phenomenon, driven by credit's collateral reflexivity, enables MicroStrategy to accumulate Bitcoin at an unprecedented rate. Since Saylor's first Bitcoin purchase, MicroStrategy has increased its holdings from 21,454 to 447,470 BTC, a staggering 1,986% increase. During the same period, Bitcoin's price rose by 828%. This remarkable disparity underscores MicroStrategy's success in outperforming Bitcoin's price growth. As more individuals and institutions adopt Bitcoin, questions about MicroStrategy's premium valuation arise. The answer lies in its Bitcoin yield, which consistently outpaces expectations. For instance, the 2024 target of 6 to 10% growth was vastly exceeded, delivering a remarkable 74% increase. The trajectory for 2025 remains uncertain, but undoubtedly exciting. Finally, speculation surrounds Michael Saylor's rapid Bitcoin acquisitions. While some attribute it to insider knowledge, the reality is simpler. Acquiring as much Bitcoin as possible is a rational strategy. Superior access to finance enables Saylor to continue accumulating at an accelerated pace. With Nasdaq 100 inclusion and potential S&P 500 inclusion, MicroStrategy's credit profile continues to strengthen. In a recent video clip, Saylor outlined his vision of Bitcoin's future. He projects its value to grow from $2 trillion to $280 trillion over the next 21 years, driven by global capital migration into this revolutionary asset. By 2045, each Bitcoin could be worth $13 million, reflecting an average annual growth rate of 29%. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.